Hello and welcome back to the Nomadic Table. I have a simple recipe for you. I just went grocery shopping. I just went to the most awesome grocery store I've ever seen. I mean, it was beautiful, had everything. It had so much food, it was amazing. And the good news is I shot some video. The bad news is it didn't turn out. So cliffhanger, we're gonna go to the world's greatest grocery store someday. Right now, I just want to show you a little simple recipe that I made up of my new ingredients I got. It's a salad, and I tell you what, folks, UPS was supposed to bring my microphone in a better phone holder, and they didn't. I had it perfectly addressed, and they didn't. Number dropped off, so they're gonna have to deliver it on Monday. So I'm gonna try to talk louder, and we're gonna get through this recipe so it records for you. Okay, let's go. Okay, so what I have here is I have some, let me get this. I have a can of garbanzo beans. Let's open these up. Okay, and these are not drained, and we want to drain these, so let's set these aside, get the other ingredients going. And I also have some two of these singles, these string cheese. I have two of these mozzarella cheese things. I have some cherry tomatoes, and I have a piece of salami. I got a hunk of salami. And if you're vegetarian, you can leave the salami out. It'll just taste wonderful without the salami. But I'm an omnivore, so I keep the salami in there. Okay, let's cut up our salami. This recipe is going by the chop principle of whatever ingredients you have on hand, whatever you bought, whatever was on sale. You can make any kind of salad you want out of those ingredients that you have. You know, the principle is when you're in the kitchen, you're the boss. Your kitchen, you're the boss. Okay. Well, I think the salami, yeah, this salami was encased in plastic, so we've got to take the plastic off there. Alright, let me just peel this plastic off. I'm kind of had some reminiscing about an old cooking show I used to watch in the 1990s. And it would have Jacques Pepin. He's a very famous French chef, and he was on the Channel 9 shows. And he had the show with his daughter, and his daughter would say, "Papa, I'm having some guests over from college. Can you make us dinner?" And Papa always makes dinner. And he would say, "Sure, Claudette, let me go see what we have in the refrigerator." And Jacques would go in the refrigerator and he'd just start grabbing stuff, and he would make the most awesome meal. You're thinking, God, I'm hungry. I go in the refrigerator and I sit there and stare for 10 minutes until my spouse yells at me to shut the door. Why can't I come up with simple stuff like that? Well, you can do it. Anybody can be a good cook. Anybody. It's just using a few principles. Okay, and my sunglasses decide they want to be on my face. All right. So we have our salami here. Okay, and we'll get our tomatoes chopped up and chopped in half at least. Okay. And Jacques Pepin, by the way, speaking of Jacques Pepin, he was he's a French chef, a professionally trained French chef. But he just had so much basic technique. He didn't rely on gadgets and everything, and too much on gadgets. I remember him just taking a knife, he'd take a whole chicken, he would say, here's how to debone a chicken. And he'd have that sucker deboned in like 5 minutes. And if I tried that, the whole chicken would be in shreds. We'd be having shredded chicken. Hands will look greasy, can't get this cheese open. It's a good thing you have out here is a towel, huh? Okay, let's slice up our cheese. I don't know how much you're seeing of this. I hope you're seeing some of it. Okay, the sun went behind some clouds. Thank goodness. Okay, and I'm going to turn us off here for a minute, and then we'll be back with that drained garbanzo beans. Okay, we are back. We have some drained garbanzo beans now. Okay, and for take care of this. For dressing, add some regular butter salad dressing. This Brianna's is ginger mandarin. Very, very good recipe. Salad dressing, I really like this. It's a ginger mandarin. Drizzle that over there. Okay. Stir that around, get those ingredients to stir there. Okay, get some of that cheese in there. Okay, and here we are. We have a nice little garbanzo salami salad with some mozzarella cheese and tomatoes. It's kind of like a combination between a bean salad and a Caprese salad. Hey, what do you think? Yeah. And this is this is like the chop principle. Use whatever you want. You use whatever you have. See these cherry tomatoes? I buy these cherry tomatoes because there's something that is nomad friendly. They're in a little container, so they're nomad friendly. Rather than chasing big tomatoes around and squashing them, it's not fun. And string cheese, very, very nomad friendly again. Very small, can fit in a little simple truck refrigerator. Canned garbanzo beans, they add some protein. And the salami, it's kind of a grocery store treat. Really will punch up the flavor with the salami. So, let's try some of our salad here. Very, very good. Very, very good. It's very good salad dressing too. Salami's very good too. That tastes be damned, I like salami. Okay, so while we were waiting for UPS to come, everybody say, UPS, come, deliver Lynn's stuff. And we'll get these videos to quality to improve. Talking with my mouth full. That's nice, huh? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This is Nomadic Table, and happy cooking down the road.